My heart is hard because I'm start in YouTube channel. More viewers, Mary. Our small viewers. If more viewers, Mary, demonetizations, Mary. February of and March, demonetization, Mary, no earnings, more viewers. And now, it's okay monetization, no viewers. My heart is hard. More viewers, Mary, million viewers. February, 1.8 million. But demonetization, no earnings, more viewers. February and March. And April, monetize, no earnings, no viewers.